Well, I've been a pilot since I was 16 years old. When I was 18, I had a couple of close calls flying aircraft. One of them was from holding my bladder to the point where I really couldn't think of how to fly the aircraft. When I realized that, I relieved myself into a bottle and things worked out. When I found out in 2000 that fighter aircraft did not have a way for pilots to relieve their bladders, I was pretty shocked. I owned an engineering company at that time, and so I immediately just made some prototypes, went flying with them, made sure they worked, and I won the contracts to make it happen. I'm a pilot, and I'm doing this so pilots are safe. So they're flying better, they have better performance, and they don't end up with some kind of health issue, or they actually, get killed flying.
In 5th gen, our mission sets are more complex, and our threat is at a longer distance away from our base. So we're going to transit long distances, then have to fight, and then transit all the way back home. And that means we're going to be in the air for hours at a time. And that means we're going to need to hydrate ourselves during the mission. Historically in fighters, having to pee was a very awkward, cumbersome, and risky process. And so we didn't. And we avoided drinking before flights. We wouldn't take liquids with us in flights, no matter how long they lasted. And we really set ourselves up for a problem where we dehydrated ourselves. We reduced our tolerance for G. We've reduced our physiological, and cognitive performances. And we've now realized that we need to enable the pilot with a system so they don't have to cheat their bodies anymore. Then we really do understand why hydration is key, and a system like Skydrate allowing us to relieve ourselves is the second part of that equation. And so we're making sure that we're our best self every time that we go fly. Look, our flights are dangerous enough as is. We need to give ourselves the best chance of success every time we fly.
I'm an engineer, and I designed the overall system, but we had 6 women engineers and nurses and pilots that developed the initial fit.
I think it's really important when we conduct training that females take care of females, because it really allows for a comfortable and safe environment where women are able to talk about women's needs. Women and men are designed differently, and women in general are not a one size fits all. So Skydrate has many different sizes and options for all women across the community to be able to wear a system that allows them to meet their basic needs.
Everybody's different, their body shape is different, their body sizes are different, and to make things fit and work perfectly, you've got to have enough sizes to accommodate that. We have 12 sizes for female and 2 for male.
So what's unique about Skydrate is that it's external, non-invasive system, so it will never introduce any bacteria or infections while you're in flight. It's very external and it's comfortable in a more custom size system. When you practice and you train, you will feel comfortable and confident in the system, and it will never fail you.
You mean you won't pee yourself?
You won't pee yourself. No leaks.